Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be taking practical problems based on angles. Specifically, we'll be talking about the angles of a triangle, the relationship between the angles of a triangle and the angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. We are not going to take any other geometrical shape. We are just focusing on these two shapes. So as you can see here, there is a triangle given as ABC and there is a relationship between angle C being 3 times angle B and angle 3 times of angle B equals to 2 times of this. So we don't have anything mentioned for A and B as a variable. So let's take angle A as X and angle B as Y. So let's say let angle A equals to X and angle B equals to Y. So let's rewrite this. I'm going to, because all the three are equal, so first thing that I'm going to say is, let's say angle C is given as 3 times of angle B, correct? So what did I suppose here as angle B? I've taken it as Y. So can we say angle C is 3Y, right? Okay. Let's take the next part of the same equation. Okay, 3 times of angle B is 2 times of angle A plus angle B. Okay, so now we are going to create a relation between X and Y. So 3 times of Y, because angle B we are supposed as Y, is equals to 2 bracket. What is my A? X. And what is my B? Y. So X plus Y. Correct? So what should we do now? We'll open the bracket on the right side. So it will become 2x plus 2y. So 3y equals to 2x plus 2y. Okay, so let's shift the 2y on the left. So it will be added or subtracted? Yes, it will be subtracted. So are we getting a relationship here? What type of a relationship are we getting here? 3y minus 2y equals 2x. So we are getting y equals to 2x. So this is my first equation. Now it's a triangle, right? So what is the rule for the angles of a triangle? Yes, that is the sum of all the three angles of a triangle add up to be what? Yes, it's 180. So I got my first equation, y equals to 2x. The second equation, I'll say angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals, angle C equals to 180. Which rule? Yes, angle sum property. So angle sum property says that when you add all the three angles of a triangle, it should be equals to 180. So should we say X plus Y? What should I write for C? Yes, 3Y equals to 180. So can you make a second equation here? Yes, it becomes X plus 4Y equals to 180, right? So did I get my second equation? I can do substitution, which is the most easiest one here, but you can go for cross multiplication or elimination. Okay, so I gave you the two equations. Let's go into the next. Now here they have already given the values of A, B, C. They're saying A is X, B is 3X minus 2, C is Y. And they have given some equation here. So let's talk about the equation first and then the second equation we'll get by angle sum property. So the first equation they are saying is angle C minus angle B equals to 9. Right? Degrees. So what is my angle C given as per the question? Yes, it's given as Y. So y minus, what is my B? 3x minus 2 is equals to 9 degrees. So let's open this. So y minus 3x plus 2 is equals to 9. I'm not going to put a degree, we'll say 9. So can I shift this 2 here? So will it be added or subtracted? Yes, subtracted. So 9 minus 2 will give me a 7. So that's my first equation. Second equation again, because it's a triangle, angle sum property. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180. What is my A in this case? X. What is my B? 3x minus 2. And what is my C? Y equals to 180. So are we getting here x plus 3x? So 4x. Put this y here and take the negative 2 on the other side. So the negative 2 will become a plus 2. So the second equation is 4x plus y equals to 182, right? Again, we have made two equations, cross multiplication, elimination, substitution, whichever method you want to go for, you can do and find the three angles. Okay. Similarly, the last question, they have given you the relationship between A, B and C. But in this case, they are specifically saying that prove that whether this triangle is a right angle triangle or not. Okay. Correct? So now let's take the relationship which is they have given. They already given one equation for us. We don't have to do any much work here. So for my first equation, they have already given 3y minus 5x is equals to 30. I'm sorry. Right? So we just need to work on the second equation, which we'll get by, yes, angles and properties. So A plus B plus C is equals to 180. So what is my A in this case? X. B is 3x. C is y equals to 180. So I'm getting 4x plus y equals to 180. I think we can do elimination method or substitution. Whichever you feel like, you can go ahead and find it. Okay. The only thing you have to be careful here is the 3x means either angle B should turn out to be a 90, or y means angle C should turn out to be a 90, or x, that is angle A, should any one of them should turn out to be a 90. That you have to check. If any one angle turns out to be a 90, then this triangle is a right angle triangle. I've supposedly taken B as my 90. Maybe it can be A or C. That you have to check. Okay. Now the next type of question, as I already mentioned, we are going to focus on cyclic quadrilaterals. Correct? Okay, I think the questions are above. Sorry. Oh no, it's below. Mistake, yeah. So here, as you can see, cyclic quadrilateral means the quadrilateral is inside the circle. So what is the rule for a cyclic quadrilateral? The angles which are diagonally opposite to each other will add up to be a 180 degree. Okay, that is the rule for cyclic quadrilateral. That means the angles which are diagonally opposite. So in this case, which is the first angle which is diagonally opposite? Angle A plus angle, yes, C. If I add them, it should be 180. That is the rule for cyclic quadrilateral. Same way, which are the two diagonally opposite angle? Angle B and angle D, which should add up to be a 180. What is angle A given here? 2x minus 1 plus. What is angle C given here? 2y plus 15 is equals to 180. Let's write 2x. Put the 2y first. Now minus 1 and 15. That will be turning out as 15 minus 1 as 14. Right? Which is equals to 180. It goes to the other side. So it is subtracted. Right? So 180 minus 14. Correct? So what will I get? 2x plus 2y is equals to 6. Yes, 6 and 1. Right? Now 2 is common factor for all the three. So you can simplify it as x plus y is equals to 83. How did I simplify? I've divided all the three terms of the equation by 2, because all the three, that is the coefficient of x and y and the constant, it is divisible by 2. Therefore, I've divided by 3 to simplify it. Okay, let's take the next one. Angle B and angle D. What is my angle B? Y plus 5. Sorry. Y plus 5. What is my D? 4x minus 7, which is equals to 180. Let's take 4x first, then y, then 5 and 7. They are in subtraction, but 7 is having a minus sign. So minus 2 equals to 180. So let's shift the y there. Sorry, 2 that side will be adding up to 182. So we got two equations, one this one and the second is this. You can go for cross multiplication, elimination or substitution. Any method which you feel. I think you can go for a direct elimination because y coefficient is same, right? Next, again cyclic quadrilateral. So which is the condition here? Which are my diagonal angles? The same, A and C. So A plus C equals to 180. Sorry. And B plus D equals to 180. That's when it's called as cyclic quadrilateral, right? So what is my A? 4y plus 20. What is my C? 4x equals to 180. Let's shift the 20 on the other side and we'll rewrite this as 4x plus 4y equals to 180 minus 20. So 4x plus 4y equals to 160. Now is 160, 4x and 4? They all are in the table of 4. So I can simplify, means I'm going to divide each term by 4. So I'll get x plus y equals to 80. Not 40, sorry. So that's my first equation. Okay, let's talk about this one. What's my B? 3y minus 5. What's my D? 7x plus 5 equals to 180. Plus 5 minus 5 will get cancelled off. So I'm getting 3x sorry, 7x plus 3y equals to 180. That's my second equation. Correct? So you can solve it further. Same way I've taken the next and the last question for angle based question. So same, right? Let's take it. As I already told, I'll help you with the first part. The second part is yours. So what are my diagonal angles? Angle A and angle C, which is 180. Sorry. And angle B plus angle D is again 180 because they are cyclic. Angle A is 2x plus 4. Angle C is 2y plus 10. Which is 180. So 2x plus 2y plus 14 equals to 180. Goes there on the other side. It's more like a first one, right? 2y equals to 166. Sorry. And x plus y equals to 83. And here I'm getting what? Y plus 3 plus 4x minus 5 equals to 180. 4x plus y minus 2 equals to 180. 4x plus y equals to 180. Hope you have understood how to do it. Okay. First one was based on triangles and the second one is based on quadrilaterals. Cyclic quadrilaterals, not quadrilaterals, cyclic quadrilaterals. Thank you.